Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Diarrahman Razik Ramadan with NPM 21170511048 from Computer Science. Here I will present the result of my presentation entitled Climate Change. In this presentation, I divide it into four important points. That is the definition of climate change, what are the factors of climate change, cause of climate change, and impact of climate change. The definition of climate change. The United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change (UNFCCC) defines climate change as climate change caused either directly or indirectly by human activities that alter the composition of the global atmosphere and climate variability, naturally over comparable time period. What are the factors of climate change? Number 1. Greenhouse gas effect. Number 2. Global warming. 3. Ozone layer damage. 4. Damage to forest function. 5. Uncontrolled use of chlorofluorocarbon or CFC. 6. Industrial exhaust. Cause of climate change. 1. High rainfall. 2. Prolonged dry season. 3. An increase in the volume of water due to melting of the polar ice cap. 4. The occurrence of tornado, natural disaster. 5. Reduced water source. Impact of climate change. 1. Extreme heat wave. Based on research note in the Journal of Geophysical Research, atmosphere by researcher named Russo S. Dosio et al., Indonesia will experience more than 3 times the extreme heat wave condition between 2020 and 2052. Then, between 2068 and 2100, there will be an extreme heat wave every 2 years. This heat wave will have the same or greater intensity than in 2010, when an extreme heat wave occurred in Russia and killed 50,000 people. 2. Increase the incidence of extreme forest fire. It is predicted that East Kalimantan and Eastern Sumatra will experience a warming of almost 4 degrees Celsius and 12% reduction in rainfall in 27 to 2100. This will result in approximately 55 days of extreme fire hazard per year in East Kalimantan in that year. Meanwhile, in East Sumatra, the number of extreme fire hazard days each year increased by 17 to 64 days under this high emission scenario. 3. Risk of drought. Along with the potential risk of extreme forest fire, the risk of drought will also increase as a result of this climate change. The region of South Kalimantan and Northern Sumatra in 2071 to 2100 will become drier by 20 to 30%. Meanwhile, in Java and the southern part of Sumatra, it became 30 to 40% drier that year. 4. Flood risk increase. Between 1990 and 2013, river flood cost Indonesia around $5.5 billion. Climate change is also estimated to increase economic damage due to river flooding by up to 91% by 2030. Some areas at risk of severe flooding are Sumatra, Kalimantan, Sulawesi, Maluku Island, and Papua. 5. Increase the impact of typhoon damage. Head of the Meteorology, Climatology and Geophysics Agency (BMKG), Dwi Korita Karnawati, said the incident of the tropical cyclone or Cyclone Seroja was an example of climate change, particularly the increase in temperature of 4 degrees Celsius in Indonesian water. The impact of damage not only causes life, but also has an impact on economic damage in the long term. It even exceeds the impact of Typhoon Savannah, which had occurred in Indonesia in 2019. 6. Sea level rise and coastal flooding. From 2000 to 2030, rise in mean sea level will increase the risk of coastal flooding by 19 to 37%. Not only the island of Java, which is already vulnerable to this coastal flooding, but part of northern Sumatra, South Sulawesi are also likely to be affected. 7. Decrease rice production. A recent study published in the Journal of Agricultural Meteorology says that higher temperature has the greatest influence on the rice yield for Ciherang cultivar, West Java. In fact, Ciherang contributes about half of Indonesia's rice production. Not only that, there are other areas that will also be affected by a decrease in crop yields if emissions are too high and climate change occurs. These include northern Sumatra and Java, all of Kalimantan, and West Papua. 8. Decreased coffee production. The increase in temperature caused by change in rainfall is expected to reduce coffee yields in Indonesia by up to 85%. Aceh, which is currently a suitable area for Arabica coffee production, if there is a temperature increase of 1.7 degrees Celsius, it will lose about 19% of its current production land. Meanwhile, from 210,000 hectares of land in North Sumatra that produces Arabica coffee, it will decrease by 15% if the temperature increase due to climate change occurs. 9. Coral reef and marine tourism can disappear. Coral reefs are expected to experience dramatic decline globally even if global warming is limited to 1.5 degrees Celsius in accordance with the Paris Agreement. However, if the temperature rises to 2 degrees Celsius, then almost all coral and marine tourism will disappear. 10. Economic growth is hampered. Indonesia suffered an average annual loss of $45 million between 2000 to 2019 due to climate-related natural disaster, and is likely to grow substantially. Economic predicts in the scenario of too high emission and climate change, Indonesia GDP growth could reach a peak of $8,800 per capita in 2100. Thank you.